could you just identify yourself?
Newton Sterling, coach Campion College.
You know, good game here today, but the opponent one man down and you fail to capitalize on
It's a tough loss today. As you say, they went down 10 man. We got a penalty, didn't capitalize on it, and they capitalized it. To me, when I was playing, if you don't adjust to 10 man, it's going to be more difficult playing against 10 man than 11. We didn't make the adjustment today on the field, and as a result, we lost 1-0.
You know, what was the game plan coming to this game? What was the plan coming into this game?
Plan coming into the game today. To come in and get a point or three. That was the plan. But I guess the football gods have otherwise.
You know, how disappointed are you because, you know, a good portion of the game, you know, you would have the advantage?
I'm never disappointed when I come on the football line. So come up on a day and want it more, it's going to win it. And catching us first to everything, catching us first to every ball, first ball, second ball.
Eltham.
Yeah, Eltham. So you see they wanted it more, so they got the 3 points.
Anything in
That's it.